Bismillahi walhamdulillahi wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillahi wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa man wala. Okay, we are now currently on page 37. We are still busy with lesson number 6, which is dealing with the usage of the feminine term هذه. الدرس السادس. We stopped halfway in the middle of the lesson yesterday. That is on page 37 from the exercises number 3. اقرأ المثال وكون جملا على غراره. That is where we are right now. Okay, so we can start and we say number 3. اقرأ المثال وكون جملا على غراره. That read the examples and create sentences in its pattern. They give you the first one and they say Muhammadun talibun. Muhammad is a student. Opposite side of the page it says Aminatu talibatun. That Amina is a student. Here this lesson is changing masculine words into feminine words. In last night's lesson I explained the way of changing a masculine word to a feminine word. So I'll give the method here with this word talibun. For example, if you look at the word talibun, it's to, alif, lam, ba. If you look at the word, the last letter, which is the ba, it has a tanween, a dopesh on it. So to change it into a feminine word, all you do is you take a ta marbuta, which is that small round ta, you add it onto the ba. Then you take this dopesh, this dammatain, and you just simply move him across from the ba onto the ta. Now the ba will be empty, and you give it a fatha, a zabr. Then it becomes talibatun. And so on you do with the rest of the words. And likewise, the other way around, when you want to change a feminine word to a masculine word, then you simply, in this case, say for instance, we take the word talibatun now. So your first thing you do, you take the fatha of the ba. Then you take the tanween and you shift it across to the ba and you delete the ta marbuta, and then you'll be sitting with talibun. So that's how you change a masculine word to feminine and a feminine word to masculine. Okay, example number 2. Okay, we have a question here. Is Muhammad definite here? Muhammad names, they are always definite yes. Okay, example number 2. Hamidun tabibun. Hamid is a doctor. Now, if you look now at the feminine word which they give on the other, the left hand side of the page, they just give the female name Fatima too. Now you need to give the feminine form of the word tabib. Tabib meaning doctor. So all you do is you say Fatimatu, tabibatun. Again, just putting the ta marbuta on it, swapping the tanween from the ba onto the ta marbuta, and giving the ba a zabr, a fatha. Number 3, huwa muslimun. He is a Muslim. The feminine version, hiya muslimatun. She is a Muslim, a Muslima. Number 4, al-babu mughlaqun. The door is locked. So here they don't give the word the door, but they're giving a feminine word because the word door is already masculine. So they're trying to give a feminine word, but using now the word mughlaqun, which you now have to change to a feminine form. So an-nafidhatu mughlaqatun. The window is locked. Nafidha meaning the window, nafidha meaning a window, and mughlaqun meaning locked. Number 5, al-mindilu wasikhun. The handkerchief is dirty. Now here's the word al-yadu, as we did yesterday. Body parts which you have 2 of, such as hands and feet and so on, those type of parts are all feminine, even though the word yad may look like a masculine word, but it's actually a feminine word. So al-yadu wasikhatun. Wasikhatun with the ta marbuta in order to make it a feminine word. Number 6, ashayu harun. Shai is tea, harun meaning hot. The tea is hot. Al-qahwatu harratun. Qahwa meaning coffee. Harra, again the feminine form of har meaning hot. The coffee is hot. Number 7, al-masjidu ba'idun. The masjid is far away. The feminine example, al-madrasatu ba'idatun. The school is far. Number 8, الطالب مريض. The student is sick. The feminine form الطالبة مريضة. The female student is sick. Number 9. الحصان سريع. The horse is fast. سريع meaning fast and الحصان meaning the horse. So now the feminine form السيارة سريعة. The car is fast. سيارة means a car. Number 10. القمر جميل. The moon is beautiful. And the feminine form, as I mentioned in one of the previous lessons, the word shams is actually a feminine word, even though it has no ta marbuta to show that it is a feminine word. But this is one of those words which are known as a feminine word. So ash-shamsu jamilatun. Not jamilun, but jamilatun. And then lastly, number 11, al-abu jalisun. The father is sitting. Al-ummu jalisatun. The mother is sitting. That's the end of that examples. Okay, number 4. صحح الجمل الآتية. If you look at the word صحح over here, you'll notice on the last letter it has a jazm, a sakin on it. But if you look at the bottom of the ha as well, you'll notice there's a zer there at the same time. The reason for that is because the word itself, صحح, is in the amr form. Amr means command. Sahih means make this thing correct. It's a command which it is giving. That will be explained later on again in the lesson. Amr and those forms which are actually to do with sarf, while the kitab here at the moment is dealing mainly with nahu. But yes, that will come at a later stage. But just to give you a bit of an understanding now. Sahih. So now, when a letter ends like this with a hamza, and you are going to continue on and the next word has an alif and lam like this, al-jumala. So now you need to join the two words. So you don't say sahih al-jumala. You join them. إِذَا حُرِّكَ بِالْكَسْرَةِ. That when you give such a word, a harka to join, the harka which is given is a kasra, a zair. So you say sahihil jumalal atiyata. You won't say sahihul or sahihal, you'll say sahihil jumalal atiyata. Correct the following sentences. Okay, number 1. Haqibatu man hadha. Whose briefcase is this? All these sentences which are coming now has one problem or the other inside these sentences. So you are supposed to point out what is the fault with these sentences. So for instance, number 1, Haqibatu man hadha. The problem with this sentence is the usage of the word hadha. Because the word haqiba, as you can see from the ta marbuta, the word haqiba is a feminine word and hadha is a masculine word. So therefore the word haqiba requires the feminine word to be applied to it, which is the word hadhihi. So you would say haqibatu man hadhihi, not haqibatu man hadha. That is the mistake in the first sentence. Number 2, al-ghurfatu maftuhun. Yes, that is correct. Al-ghurfatu maftuhatun, because ghurfa is a feminine word and maftuh, as it's written here, is a masculine word. So it has to be changed into maftuhatun. Correct. Number 3, hadha sayyaratu tabibi. This is the doctor's car. Oh, okay, I don't think I translated example number 2. It means the room is open. Okay, number 3 was hadha sayyaratu tabibi. This is the doctor's car. The mistake with this one is, yes, that is correct. Hadhihi is what it should be, because sayyara is a feminine word, so the masculine word hadha cannot be applied to it. So it is hadhihi sayyaratu tabibi. Number 4, hadhihi miftahu sayyarati. This is the car's key. Miftah means a key. Mafatih means is the plural, which means keys. The mistake in this sentence here again Yes, هذا is the correct word because miftah is masculine and هذه is feminine. So a feminine word cannot apply to a masculine word. So it should be هذا مفتاح السيارة. This is the car's key. Okay, moving on now to page 38. Number 5, he says أين السيارة? The reply given is هو في الشارع. The mistake with this one, yes, that is correct. هي في الشارع, because the word سيارة is a feminine word and هو is a masculine word. So therefore it requires a feminine word which is هي. So هي في الشارع, it is in the street. شارع meaning street. Okay, moving on now to exercises number 5. He says اقرأ واكتب مع ضبط أواخر الكلمات. Read and write, keeping in mind and mentioning the correct haraka at the ending of the words. So number 1, هذا لمحمد وذلك لحامد. That this is for Muhammad and that is for Hamid. Okay, question here. How do you know if it's a feminine or masculine word? Just from the ta. For most of the time, the words will be known between masculine and feminine because of the ta marbuta, yes. But there are cases which is just simply known from which we inherited, as you say, from the Arabs, such as the word shams, because it has absolutely no sign to say that it is a feminine word, yet the word shams is a feminine word. So, and of course then there are things like I mentioned in the previous lesson last night about body parts. Yes, when a body part, when you have two of it, such as 2 eyes, 2 ears, 2 cheeks, 2 hands, 2 legs, so on, these parts will all be feminine, while body parts which you have only one of, such as your head, your heart, your brain, like that, those words will be masculine. So for the most part, generally, when you look at a word and you see a ta marbuta on it, that will normally be the sign that it is a feminine word. But of course, there are certain exceptions to the rule, like I mentioned yesterday, and those exceptions you pick up as you come along. You learn, okay, this word here, it's actually feminine, it's not masculine, even though it looked like that. So that you will come with each individual case. But normally when you see a word with a ta marbuta, generally you can be safe that this is a feminine word. Okay, moving on, we were doing number 1. هذا لمحمد وذلك لحامد. That this is for Muhammad and that is for Hamid. Number 2. لمن هذه؟ هذه لياسر. For who is this? This is for Yasir. Number 3. Alhamdulillah. All praise is due to Allah. And number 4. Lillahi al-mashriqu wal-maghribu. That for Allah is the east and the west. Al-mashriq meaning the east and al-maghrib meaning the west. That's the last of the examples. Now he moves on finally to the new words which were done in this lesson. And he gives it all here in this one big block, and he says Al-kalimatu al-jadidatu, the new words. Number 1, al-mikwah, al-mikwatu, which is the iron, to iron clothes with. Number 2, ad-darrajatu, which is the bicycle. Number 3, al-mil'aqatu, which means the spoon. Number 4, al-qidru, which is the cooking pot. This again, also as I mentioned yesterday, although this word does not have any sign to say that it is a feminine word, you don't see any ta marbuta on it, but al-qidru is actually a feminine word. So if you were to use the word al-qidru in a sentence, you would say هذه هي القدر, that this is the cooking pot. You would not use the word هذا or huwa when referring to the word qidr. Okay, number 5, al-baqaratu, which means the cow. Number 6, al-fallahu, which means the farmer. Number 7, al-anfu, which means the nose. The next one, number 8, al-famu, which means the mouth. Okay, here's a question here. Is that the same word in adhan? Falah. No, this one is Fallah with a tashdid on the lam, while the one in the adhan is falah without a tashdid. Okay, moving back on, we come back here. Al-udhunu, which means the ear. Al-yadu, which means the hand. Al-rijlu, which means the foot or the leg, both. The next one, Ashayu, which means the tea. The next one, Al-ummu, which means the mother. The next one, Al-thallajatu, which means the refrigerator. The next one, Al-qahwatu, which means the coffee. The next one, Sari'un, which means fast. The next one, An-nafidhatu, which means the window. And the last one, which is Jiddan, which means very. Like for instance, if you want to say the moon is very beautiful, you'd say Al-qamaru jamilun jiddan. The moon is very beautiful. That's how the word Jiddan is used. Okay, that is the end of page 38, and it's the end of lesson number 6. I think we'll stop here for tonight, and inshallah next time we will continue from page 39, which is Ad-Darsu Sabi'u, lesson number 7. وصلى الله وسلم وبارك على نبينا محمد سبحان الله وبحمده سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك.